Ok, ci siamo. Hey everyone guys, I'm Jonathan, as always, and this is my video on how to clean your camera sensor and your lenses and how to clean your gear in general. So, I bought from Amazon this bag by VSGO. Yeah, I think that is something like this. So first of all, I need to open it because it's been 2 weeks since I received it and I still didn't open it because I'm a bit scared. I must tell you guys that I'm a bit scared of cleaning my sensor because I don't know how I will do it because it's the first time. So it's the first time and I'm scared of damaging it. So yeah. Okay. So first of all, we need a scissor. Okay. Must pay attention to not cut my hands. Okay, so first step is done. Okay, so let's open this VSGO bag. Inside the VSGO bag we can find this thing to clean up the asshole. No. I don't think so. This I saw it in a review, I think, in something like that. It's to clean the lenses, but first of all we have to clean the sensor, because if you watch my video about pinhole lenses, I said that I had to delete my footage that I shot with the pinhole because you know, my sensor was full of shit and the video was totally crooked, while the photos I recovered them in Lightroom, you know, with the thing to remove the spots. So microfiber cleaning cloth. Okay, a lot of cloth, antibacteria. Okay, I'm pretending to understand everything. So luckily there are some instructions. Think that I will need them. Okay. There's a nice owl here. Notice the packaging is on point. It's other cloth. I thought it was some kind of instruction, but it's still cloth. Okay, a lot of cloth. Okay, these are the instructions, finally. The little pump. Lens cleaner. Okay, APS-C sensor cleaning swab. This camera has a micro four thirds sensor, but I think that it's the same. So yeah, and it's already late. So yeah, it's too late to change it right now. Sensor cleaner. I'm scared to use it, you know, to clean the sensor or the electronics inside. So okay, so this is my Lumix GX80 with my 14mm by Lumix and my VCL ECU1 wide angle adapter by Sony. And I already talked about this combo in another video, so you have to check it out. Okay, so let's read the instructions. Okay, German, I don't speak German, I barely speak English. Okay, operation manual, how to clean camera. Clean lens. No matter what you use to clean lens, firstly remember to clean up particle dust on lens in case of scratching. In this step you can clean with a soft brush or air blower. Okay, it's an air blower. Okay, works. Gently sweep off particle dust on lens surface, use air blower to blow dust away. Okay, so let's open. Okay. Wow. Now guys, it works. Okay, there were some particles on the surface and it works. I'm pretty amazed by this thing. Okay, first step done. Then clean with the lens pen. Expose the brush and gently dust your lens and camera body to remove dust and particles. Uncap the cleaning end of lens pen and gently rub the lens surface in circular motion from the center outward until it's clean. Don't use lens pen with lens cleaner. Don't use lens pen with lens cleaner. Okay. Don't understand anything. So, this is lens. No, this is lens cleaner, and this is lens. It's the only thing that looks like a band. So. Okay, I assume it's correct. Guys, it's the first time, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. I will practice with other lenses. Cleaning with lens cleaning cloth. Open the vacuum package of microfiber lens cloth. Gently wipe lens with circular movement from the center outward until it's clean. Okay, but it wasn't dirty anyway, so yeah. Lens paper. Okay, I think that I'm using this. So, it looks like a I don't know, pocket toilet paper, something like that. I have to take it with me when I go outside. Shit, outside. Microfiber, cleaning cloth. Okay. Okay, I think that I will try with one of the toilet papers here. Okay. Probably I'm doing it all wrong, something like that. But the lens is pretty fucking clean. Yeah, looks very, very clean right now. So, it kinda works. Let's get to the most interesting point, that is the camera sensor. Okay, P, clean sensor. Shoot at white wall, white paper, white towel with f16 or even smaller aperture. Magnify the picture, inspect details, and remember where dust is located. Okay, so I already know that there is some dust inside, but I don't want to shoot right now, so I think that I will clean the whole sensor. Maybe it's stupid to say it like this, but I think that it's I have to clean the whole sensor. So yeah, take off lens, adjust camera to clean mode, reflector raise up. Choose a clean and bright area, put on anti-static globes, take off lens, adjust camera to clean mode and reflector. I don't have the reflector because it's a mirrorless. Okay, anyway, make sure your camera is full of power in this step. Blow away dust inside the chamber with air blower, take out sensor swap from the vacuum package. So, first of all, I have to use the air pump. Okay, so let's use, the first step was the air pump, the second step is the cleaning swab. I don't know how to say swab. Okay. It is what it is. So, let's take it off. Okay, here we are. The micro SD was full, so I had to change it. So, to keep shooting this awesome video. So, using the cleaning swab. Okay, very carefully. So, I'm putting back the lens to see if the dust is gone. But right now I don't have an SD card inside, so I have to put back the other one. So, okay. So I'm shooting against a white wall. And there is pretty much no dust. Okay, there are a few, just a couple spots, but something that I will clean it, just another bit, a bit. Okay, and I think that we are done. Okay, let's try now. I'm at f16. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now I think that I will do it on the other camera as well, that one that is recording, and on all the lenses, because since I bought all this stuff to clean them, I have to use it. In any case, it was not that expensive. The whole package, the whole box is like 20 euro or something like that on Amazon, so yeah, it's pretty much cheap, but I have to use it because you know, when you buy something you try to use it. I think that I will clean every lens right now. I have to say that it's pretty relaxing. I like this thing, like new. Well, bought it used, but it's like new right now. And I have also the lens cap. Always keep your lens caps, guys. And also this, no, this lens is pretty much fucked up because it's a vintage lens and it's already dirty, but I like the way pictures look with this lens, so I think that it's, even if it's dirty, it's cool. It's a cool way of being dirty. Okay, cleaning the speed booster as well. Here comes the Fuji 55mm f1.8, my favorite lens in general, and it's crazy to think that I never cleaned all these lenses, and they look extremely dirty if you take a look, a closer look. Okay, a lot better. There's always a first time. Let's use the pen as well, every once in a while. Okay, I think that we are done. So next thing I have to do is clean the fisheye, the wide angle lens that I'm using to film this video. If you were wondering, this lens is a fisheye. It's an 8mm f3.8 by Pixco, and I'm shooting with my Lumix G80. As always. So next thing, I'm going to clean that lens and the sensor as well, and then I'm done with all my with all my lenses that are here, pretty much. So guys, thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm uploading this video or not, because I'm not sure it's really interesting, but I think that you know, sometimes you have to clean your gear. It's better late than never, in my opinion. So I hope that you like this video. Yeah, in general, this video is not sponsored, clearly, guys. None of my videos are sponsored, but I recommend this kit because there's a lot of stuff, also the pocket toilet paper. So, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.